How to fix Instagram from validation fail. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. Before that, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram because this is also a problem that might show you a problem while you are using your Instagram. So just search for Instagram on your device, either Google Play Store or App Store. So just like this, here is the update option available on my device. So this might be the problem, so just update your Instagram from there. If this does not work, then what you can also do is just long press on your Instagram application. On the top right side, you will see the eye icon right here. Scroll down and just tap on the storage option right here. Clear all the cache and clear all the data from here. After this, when you open and still the validation problem is showing, then what you can do is just uninstall the application by long pressing and tapping on the uninstall option, and again go to the Google Play Store or App Store and install your application again. But still it does not show, then I will suggest you to change your password. Change your password either by your Google or your phone number, and then reset it, uninstall it and open it on your browser. After opening it on your web browser and it does not show the validation problem, you can install your application and open it there as well. If this does not work, then I would suggest you to go to the Instagram help center and this might solve your problem. So this is how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.